This is Ethiopian educational tube. This is Fanos Ethiopian educational tube. Today we will discuss on solution set of linear equations. Solution set of linear equations. So this is lesson 6, which is solution set of linear equation LE, linear equation. Now to find the solution set of any linear equation, it is better to start from the given linear equation, which is written in the form of x plus b is equals to 0. We used this equation in definition before. Now to solve for x, we deduct b from both sides of the equation. Deducting b from both sides of the equation. Here this becomes 0. And then this is the same as ax is equals to 0 minus b, which is minus b. And then to solve for x, we need to divide both sides of the equation by a. This becomes 1. 1 times x is x. X equals to minus b over a. So the solution set of this given linear equation is minus b over a. Minus b over a. Now to find the solution set for any linear equation, we need to have two basic cases. We need to follow two basic cases. Case 1, when the domain is given, when the domain is given or provided or restricted. For example, find the solution set of set of 2x plus 2 is equals to 4. Domain is a set of natural numbers. So we have given that a linear equation which is 2x plus 2 is equals to 4. Again, we have restricted to this domain which is a set of natural numbers. Now let us solve the solution set for this linear equation. 2x plus 2 is equals to 4. And then 2x plus deducting 2 from both sides of the equation will give us here, this becomes 0 to minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. So we left with 2x is equals to 2. And then to solve for x, we divide by 2, again by 2. X is equals to 1, because 2 by 2 is 1, 2 by 2 is 1. And then our next step in a restricted domain is that checking whether the value of x is in the given domain. So the question is that is 1 is an element of natural number? Yes. Therefore, our solution set is 1. But in a case where the value of x is less than 1, for example 0, if x is 0, what happened to our solution set? If x is 0, so 0 is not an element for the set of natural numbers, so immediately our solution set is empty set. So this is in a case where the domain is provided. So the next point is that in a case where the domain is not given. Case 2, when the domain is not given, where the domain is not given. In this case, after solving the value of x, we simply put the obtained value in a brace as a solution set. For example, in question number 1 above, we have given that 2x plus 2 is equals to 4. Here, if we use this question as an example for case 2, 2x plus 2 minus 2 is equals to 4 minus 2. This is 0, this one is 2. 2x equals to 2, dividing both sides of the equation by 2, x becomes 1. So now no need of checking in or searching for a domain, because the domain is not given. So we simply put 1 in brace as a solution set. So today we discussed on the solution set of linear equation in both cases, when the domain is given and when the domain is not given. When the domain is given and when the domain is not given here. So in our next lesson we will discuss on, we will see about solution set of linear inequalities in both cases. Until then, I would like to say goodbye as